This is EA Incorporation. It's one of the most advanced cinematic technology you never experienced before. This is EA Incorporation. The number of speakers around you no longer matters because this is the world's first object in cinematic technology. It transfers from the channel to moving around you with 10 times accuracy, or it captures full extent of nature's fury. And remember, this is just the beginning of the EA Incorporation. Because you thought was black, it isn't. This is contrast that reveals details deeper than any image you would see on the screen. This is luminance. That means the difference between white and pure energy. And the energy that is about to reveal the entire universe of color. You never experienced the sound before.